Hi, we've got a couple of really exciting things happening today, and I just want to go over it so you understand what I'm doing and understand that you can do the same and also make use of what I've done. Now I just want to show you here on my blog here, you'll notice that I've got these posts that look like full articles, and they actually are full articles. We've developed a system where we can import full articles from article directories to our blog. Now at the moment you'll be getting RSS feeds that have usually like article dashboard or something like that have only got a snippet, so they only have like the top paragraph from each article, and it's not full articles. So what you want to do is you want to be able to get full articles. Right, now that's point one. Now point two, I just want to show you here, as you'll notice here that I have some RSS feeds on my blog coming from other websites. Now you should all recognise this one if you're in nzpcs, because this is my work from home blog, my original one. So I've got that RSS feed there, and I have this RSS feed here. And what I've done here is, if you've used the Yahoo 360 software, Squidoo, the hub pages sections in the instruction site, these are like my Google pages, my Squidoo lens, I've just put links to each one of my specialty network pages, so I can build up the PR of them, and then just recent posts. Now I'll show you how you go and do that, how you add those RSS feeds. Now this is what it looks like here. Down here you've got a thing here called RSS Tech Feed Wizards. When you go into your admin, presentation, widgets, then what you do is you click how many widgets you want. You can have between 1 and 9. Click save. Then what you do is you take this RSS feed up to here and you click here. Now all you need to do is put the RSS feed URL in there, and I'll show you one that I've already done. I only put about 2 or 3 on my site, and you'll see here, there's the RSS feed. Now you can give them a title, or if you leave them blank, it'll use the title of the site that you've taken them from, right? And so just show you again what they look like. That's what creates this section here. Now why is that helpful is, one, you can create links to your own site, or if you haven't got a site or blog on the subject, what you do is use someone else's, because when you're using these articles, there are thousands of sites using the same articles from article directories, and so Google and that will go through and they will look at this and go, oh, we've seen this somewhere else, right? And what they'll do is only one of them will make it on page 1 of the results. But by using these RSS feeds, Google looks at the page source of your page, and here's the source of that blog page there, and you'll see here that you have the class widget there, and if you look down the page there, you'll see that all of the text from that RSS feed is added into the page's source. So because you've got the articles up here, right, and these RSS widgets here, right, you're creating a totally unique page. Even though you haven't used any unique content, you've got a totally unique page. And there's just what I'm talking about before when I said I was creating pages. See, there's my 360 blog, which you guys have got the software to do automatically. Google Pages, you guys have got the software to do that automatically. Squidoo, I'll be covering soon. Hub Pages, I just sent you out an ebook on how to use that. And actually, if you go and have a look at my Hub Pages one that I just did 3 days ago as an example for that, it's already got a score ranking of 80 in 3 days. So if you want to know how powerful that ebook is and does it work, well, just have a look at the one that I did as an example. When you guys looked at it, I was originally given a score of 25. It's risen to 80 in 3 days. And that's purely from traffic. But anyway, getting off topic a little bit there, we'll get back onto this. So very, very shortly, nzpcs is going to be starting a new service called feedster.com, where we're going to have 600 feeds made up of articles from different article directories, and these are going to be specialist feeds on subjects like finance, mortgages, accounting, hobbies, sports, and they're just going to be one feed, and you are going to be able to use these feeds on your blogs, right? But not only that, but all of these feeds here will also be sent out to blogger.com as snippets, and we have got 60 feeder blogs, and those feeder blogs will be taking all the related ones. So say we've got 10 different sports, they'll all go to a sport feeder blog, and say we've got like 20 different hobbies, they'll all go to a hobbies feeder blog. Now here's the good news if you're an NZPCs member, and if you've done your homework like we asked you to do. If on your blogs and websites you have been putting this link on your site as we asked you to do, you will start getting hundreds or even thousands of links from around the internet from people using your RSS feeds as part of our network. All of our members who have done this, we are added your RSS feeds into our blogging network, because I was going to teach people how to do this in the instruction site, but I just think it is just too complicated, and it's taken thousands of hours, and it's going to probably take another 100 or 200 hours to finish it, and it cost me now $12,000 a year just in domain names at $9.99 a domain. But so we've set this network up for you guys to use, totally free. And look, if you want links, you need links. Basically, it's not if you want. If you want your blogs to get the sort of traffic that my ones get, then this is the exact system that I use. But I'm not going to go and read emails from you guys or go around the forums or have you guys send me lists of your blogs. Right, the easiest way for me to find them, and this also gives me one little benefit out of it. Yep, I want to rank for that keyword and build the PR of that website, because as you all know, that is the main website for distributing PageRank amongst our blog network. Here's how I will find you. That. So any blog you've created using the NZPC system, you need to put that link on it. And you need to do it quickly because we're crawling the web already. I've already started. If your links aren't there, it's not going to be found. And look, I'm not going to go back later on, and I'm not going to manually add anybody's feeds or anything like that. If you haven't done it, it'll be bad luck. Okay, I'll give you guys 1 or 2 days to get that done, and then I'll start crawling and building these RSS feeds. Okay, so look, if you want to be able to use those 600 RSS niche feeds to create auto blogs, you need to have that done. As I said, we are going to be opening a service soon when it's all completed, and we'll be selling membership to the public so they can come in and pay to use the RSS feeds. You guys will get it free. That's the condition there. If I don't see that, I don't see you, basically. Okay, so that's it. Implement that the widgets on your blogs. You'll start seeing even more traffic because those RSS feeds update daily, or well, maybe some of them don't update daily, but because they do update, what you will find happening is you will get sites like search engines like Google and that coming back, because these are all updating every day. You might not be putting new content here, but you'll be having different content here and here on your RSS feeds, which means your page content changes, and that helps drive the search engines to keep coming back. So just a few little things there for you to do, a few little things that are exciting coming up in the program within the next couple of days, and yeah, just take advantage of it. It's designed for your benefit.